try and launch.
You burn out?
I'm trying to launch it.
You're not gonna be a launch.
What's up, guys? Charlotte 3x4 here again with another video for you. I am on the way to Ryan's house right now because my buddy Nate's the one. He's been in a couple videos before. He's got a orange Camaro that he races, but he's also got a lowered two-wheel drive single cab 5.3 Silverado that he kind of dailies around. He wants to beat my truck and he wants to build this truck up to be a little faster. So Ryan has a spare 4th Gen 5.3 laying around, and Nate is gonna buy it off him, and we're gonna throw a cam in it and do a little bit of work to it. So plan for this is just top end, kind of like what we've been doing, cam, lifters, everything that comes with that. He's buying this. Where's the card? Put it in there. Torker V4 from Texas Speed. She's gonna sound good. She's gonna sound real good. What size converter are you going? 3. I think it'll be close. It's gonna be a good race. We raced once already. He wanted me to launch in 2-wheel drive because he's only got it 2-wheel drive. So I did. He got the jump on me and then I pulled, but I didn't pull that hard because I'm a quad cab and he's way lighter.
Way later.
So when this thing's done, he'll be iffy. What do you think? You think you're gonna beat me? I think you will. I'm gonna have to.
I don't want to talk too much shit and then get gapped.
All right, so it's been a minute since I picked the camera up. I think last you guys saw, we threw the cam in, timed it, got the bottom middle situated. Nate finally got the heads back, so we
2 weeks later.
Yeah, we put the heads on. Obviously threw the lifters in, put the heads on, checked push rod length, we're good there. So the motor is now ready to go in the truck. So now we're yanking the old one. All right, guys, motor's in. We checked over everything. We're gonna give her a start up. All right, send it.
Take a while. All right, ready?
Sure, send it. Bring it down. What was oil pressure?
That was good. Any trash can?
I'll put big trash cans in there, put the bigger stuff.
That's decent. Might need a half quart more. But it's above the fill line, so we'll run it and put more in it.
It's not pouring out the bottom, right?
No, I feel like we hear it go.
Well, we did that with mine. Remember that?
We're good.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, send it.
Good? Perfect. All right, so we just came to the realization that 4 cylinders are not firing, and they're the DOD cylinders. So we're gonna plug the DOD Valley back in.
I'm glad I did this one. It's hot.
It's only half hot.
It's hot enough.
I know. That's why it wasn't. That's why it was taking so long to frickin' warm up.
Yeah, it's only running at 4.
So we're gonna plug that back in, see if we can get to fire on all 8.
That's so.
I forgot that you did that.
Okay, just leave it there.
All right, I'm gonna start it.
Sure.
Did you kill it?
No. Maybe it's really pissed off now.
It's firing though.
Really pissed off.
Huh.
It sounds pissed off now.
Yeah, that sounds a lot better.
Yeah. I was gonna say something ain't right
All right, got it running decently. Shut off, let it cool down, and now we're gonna go for just a little bit of a drive so we can watch stuff. Watch stuff on the computer and stuff like that, and then come back. The heck are you doing?
Hey, I don't want bugs in here. I don't want bugs in here.
Oops. It's keeping itself alive.
Yeah. If I clear that code, it dies.
Never mind. Drive went good. I mean, as good as it could be. Hell yeah, dude. That startup went pretty good. Just had to plug. I can't even say it went wrong because we knew we were supposed to do that. I mean,
I just didn't think of it.
yeah, because we had to do it for his truck and we forgot about that.
Well, my truck, we fired it up without the first time, but my truck has DOD turned off, and it.
Yeah,
DOD
this is
turned-
stock tune.
I can't turn it off on his to get no credits for it.
So otherwise, it went pretty well. No leaks. No leaks. Didn't forget to plug nothing in. Besides that, sick. This thing's gonna be a ripper. All right, guys, we are here at Northern Performance to tune this truck for E85 and then tune this truck because we just threw a cam and a aluminum 5.3 in this thing, which actually you guys didn't even see the welds yet. I just mounted these welds for them. So like I said, we're here to tune this truck for E85, and then he towed this truck up because we got to tune this because we got a cam at a Torque before, put a 3000 stall on it and everything like that. So this should be a good good video. Yeah, it is. What do you think? You keep thinking you're gonna lose. I think you're gonna beat me.
I think it's gonna beat you. Definitely my an hour harder, I think.
This thing's gonna be rowdy. Look at that goon smiling, dude.
I tried not to smile too.
Yeah. Hey, buddy, you need some rear disc brakes.
Hey, shut up.
Yeah, you do too.
Mine you can't see as much. My wheels are shiny.
Well, how'd it feel?
Good, bud.
Did it? Think you're still gonna get gapped? No. All right, buddy, let's see this pile. See if she runs.
You got your seatbelt?
I want you to make your rear glass break with my head. Does that work?
I would rather not. That might hurt you a lot, actually.
It'd probably knock my ass out. It'd be a cool video though.
Well, you have to have treat me.
Damn! I could feel it. I could feel like
This thing hauls ass.
I could feel my back being pushed into the seat the whole time. You try and launch?
You burn out? I'm trying to launch it. You're not gonna be a launch.
This thing pulls pretty good. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Just wanted to say, sorry this video took a little bit longer to get out than I had wanted. My computer ended up taking a dump on me, and so I ended up having to use my wife's computer, and then I had to use a new software, so I had to learn that, which I actually love this one a lot better. And I'm glad I did switch to a different software. So the videos should be a lot better now. Honestly, I think, because I've got a lot more opportunity to do things. That's why it took 15 days for me to get this one out since the last video. But I've got a lot of content to get out now. Since I've been not posting videos, I've been making a lot of videos. So I've got 5 or 6 videos at least to publish out and get them out now. So I'm going to try and upload. I'm going to try and stay consistent to every week. If you guys made it this far, make sure to comment down below that you made it this far, and I'll gladly appreciate it. I want to see who actually does make it to the end of the videos. So if you make it this far, comment down below. Let me know. That'd be sick. But otherwise, hope you guys enjoyed. We're going to race next video. Next video is the race. So we already did race, actually. And it's going to be worth watching. I promise you that. So thank you guys. Stay tuned. Make sure you turn the notification bell on. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Same name as YouTube, Showoff 3.4. And I'll see you guys in the next video.